While everyone's distracted by the latest viral app, behind the scenes, the next wave of trillion-dollar tech is forming. And if you're an entrepreneur, missing these 5 trends could mean watching your industry get disrupted without warning. In less than 3 minutes, you'll learn about the technology silently reshaping how businesses are built, scaled, and monetized. Let's get into it. The most successful founders aren't just product builders. They're trend readers. Whether you're launching a startup, building in public, or growing a digital business, these emerging tech trends aren't just buzzwords. They're strategic levers. Leveraged correctly, they can give you a 3-year head start on your competition. So here are 5 you need to understand before 2026. Gear Trend 1, AI agents. Forget ChatGPT. The next evolution is autonomous AI agents. These are digital employees that don't just respond. They act. Imagine an AI that books your meetings, files your documents, negotiates prices, and runs entire workflows autonomously. Tools like AutoGPT, AgentGPT, and Multion are pioneering this. For entrepreneurs, this means fewer hires, faster testing, and near-instant execution. We're moving toward leaner one-person companies that operate like teams of 10. Cloud Trend 2, Decentralized Cloud Computing. AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure currently dominate the internet. But what happens when cloud power gets decentralized? Startups like Akash Network and Filecoin are building peer-to-peer cloud infrastructure, where computing power is bought and sold like electricity. The benefits? Lower costs, censorship resistance, and a new economy of microservices. This matters for entrepreneurs building globally, especially in AI, crypto, or high-load apps. Brain Trend 3, Synthetic Media. We're entering the era of fully AI-generated content, and it's not just text. Synthetic media includes AI-generated video, voice, music, and even influencers. Platforms like Runway, Sora, and 11 Labs are letting creators and brands scale content at a fraction of the time and cost. If you sell courses, run ads, or produce content, synthetic media lets you scale without hiring editors, videographers, or voice actors. It's not just automation, it's multiplication. Locked with Key Trend 4, Quantum-proof security. Quantum computing could break modern encryption within a decade. That's a huge problem for SaaS founders, fintech startups, and anyone storing user data. Post-quantum cryptography is emerging to protect future systems. It's early, but entrepreneurs building security-first platforms need to think beyond current standards or risk being obsolete. Handshake Trend 5, Human-AI collaboration tools. Most tools use AI to replace humans. The next generation helps humans work better with AI. Think Notion AI, Figma AI, or even GitHub Copilot. Built-in copilots, not competitors. The smartest entrepreneurs aren't automating everything. They're building feedback loops between themselves and AI that compound learning speed and execution. The founder tomorrow isn't solo. They're augmented. Entrepreneurship is no longer just about hustle. It's about leverage. And in 2025, the biggest leverage comes from understanding how these tools work before the rest of the world catches up. Want more videos like this? Subscribe and turn on notifications. The next one might just give you your unfair advantage.